5.
Hi, my name is Billy. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you want to know about the 6th grade over a free day. Today my special guest is Devin. Welcome, Devin. Devin will be talking to us about the time she attended a Taylor Swift concert. Also joining us is class 605. Welcome. Okay, so Devin, when did you get the tickets?
I got the tickets a couple weeks after Christmas. I was supposed to get them at Christmas, but my older sister, who went to the concert with us, got them in her stocking, but we didn't want my younger sister, to feel bad. She would have thrown a tantrum or something. So we had to give mine later so she wouldn't go crazy.
Oh, that's a pretty bad way to end it. What did you do to get ready for the concert?
Like in July, the beginning of July, our concert was on July, like around the 13th. So in the beginning of July, we went to Sydney's house and we cut the sleeves off big t-shirts we had and got markers ready and sparkles and everything to put on it. The shirts that we were making, and we got all the supplies for the posters we were making too. And then when we got to Philadelphia for the concert in the hotel room, we made the shirts and the signs, and on the signs we put the sparkles on it. One of it smudged a little bit, but most of the sparkles were on the floor that we couldn't get out, so we didn't have a lot of sparkles on it.
Where did you sit at the concert and how close were you?
We were on the floor section after, but at first we were up like really high in the handicap section, but we got moved down. So we were really close. At one point, she walked right past us.
I think there's a question from the audience.
Why were you at the handicap section?
Because one of our friends, Megan, who we were with, broke her knee or like dislocated it walking down the stairs. And then after, she had to go in a wheelchair to get taken out. But it was good because we got to go backstage.
What was probably the best part of the trip?
It's probably the last part of it because she sang Red and there was fireworks. And then we got to go backstage with Megan and we were walking right behind Ed Sheeran and he opened up for Taylor Swift.
Well, that's all for the time we have for today. Please join us again next time on everything you want to know about the 6th grade.